Hi, and welcome back to my channel, Spice Rack Kitchen. My name is Dee, and today I'll be putting a twist on our national dish. So, Jamaica's national dish is ackee and saltfish. But today I'll be making ackee and chicken back. To be honest, based on the ratio of chicken back to ackee, I'm gonna change it. I'll be making chicken back with ackee. Now it doesn't matter which one comes first. If you've never cooked this before, you have to try it. And I'll be showing you how I prepare it for my family. Enjoy! So I obtained the chicken back from a local supermarket. I cleaned it, washed it, I removed the chicken bottom, and I also removed some of the excess fat. I am only using powdered seasonings here. And of course, in the description section, I will be sure to include the seasonings I use and the amounts. So I'm using the usual onion powder, garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, and some salt. You can use whatever seasoning you like. Just go in and season it well. So here I'm just kind of stirring things in, just ensuring that the seasoning is spread all over the chicken. And after I've done so, I'm just gonna allow it to sit for maybe about 15 minutes or so. And then we're going to fry the chicken back. So I had rendered some of the fat from the chicken back, and now I'm frying the actual chicken back in this oil. I'm going to fry them until it's golden brown, almost crispy. Well done. In Jamaica, we would say fry dry. I just love us. So chicken back, or the back of the chicken, it has a lot of bones, but when it is seasoned properly and cooked properly, it is very flavorful. Here I am cooking over medium heat. Medium heat because I want at the end of frying for the meat to cook, and also the bones will be cooked as well. Here is the final product. We place the pieces on paper towel to absorb the excess oil. So I've discarded the oil used to cook my chicken back. I've added a few tablespoons of canola oil to this pot. I'll be using it to saute my other vegetables. So I believe I'll be using onions, scallion, tomatoes. Now I had to fight with my son for the tomatoes, so I had to go and get more tomatoes from the fridge. He loves tomatoes. I had to go get more tomatoes from the fridge to add to the dish. I will continue sauteing over low heat until the onions become translucent and all of the vegetables have released their flavors. I will now be adding back the chicken to the pot, and I'm just going to mix things together for them to enjoy each other's company. I'm getting so excited. Now, in terms of the ackee, where I live, I don't have access to freshly picked ackee, and so I use the ackee from the tin that is pre-cooked. I'll just boil some water, place that ackee in it, let it boil for about 10 minutes, drain it, and then I will add it to this. I seem to always have a problem with overcrowding. Okay, so here we are. So I'll let that continue to cook together. So here we are. Now this ackee is equivalent to 1 tin of ackee. I'll just stir things together. Look how beautiful that looks. Now this can be breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You could pair it with fried dumplings. I'll have a video on that, how I prepare my fried dumplings. They're not perfect, but I try. But look at this finished product. So good. Talk the truth. Don't this look good? Cooking is my happy place. I really enjoy sharing my dishes with you. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. I want to hear from you. Have you ever eaten ackee and chicken back? Comment below. Thanks for watching.